Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition, and today I want to show you what I got for the ditch light, and I'm gonna install it right here and there. And there's several companies who make the ditch light mount, and I found one at Cali Raised Off-Road, and this is a low profile, so it is very low to the body without interfering with the operation, and it's very simple install. And this is all sealed individually, and it comes with the mounting, low profile mounting hardware, so I can mount them. And then I was debating what to get, since I have a midnight edition ridged industry. I was gonna get that, you know, the bulky, the squarish type, the light pod LED. But instead, I've done some research and I found the KC Hilites Flex LED. These are awesome. And this is on Amazon for about $55–$60. And it's heavy quality, good quality, and it's powder coated already. And this one, I bought it on Amazon also. And this is a spread beam. So there's a spot and spread beam, but then since it's a ditch light, I got the spread beam pattern. So it looks like that, okay? Real high quality. And even all this wiring is high quality. So I only got one each. They sell dual lens shape, but I thought that kind of looked like Wally, so I didn't get that one. Specs are, this is Flex LED single light and spread pattern, one LED. It's 10 watt. 1 amp, 9 to 18 volts, 975 lumens. So it's almost 1,000 lumens, and that's pretty bright with the spread pattern. That's all I need, and I just wanted everything minimalized, you know. I love the color. It's black and gold and silver, very high quality. And this comes with wiring, relays, fuse, and the switch. So first, pop the hood open. And that's the area that we're gonna work on. Cali Raised, beautiful quality. And lucky for the customers, it shows it says passenger and driver. So we'll be using the driver side first. Currently I'm using 12mm socket. And try to hold on to the bracket to the hood, and this just comes out easy. Mount it to the side a little bit. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay. It's that low. It's almost flush. So if you run your hand through, it gets caught right here, like right here. It's same size, and it doesn't touch the bottom of the plastic. So that, I think that's the good length. But it'll be difficult to tighten that nut. Okay, guys, lesson learned. Learn from my mistake. I installed the bracket first, and after that, I try to install the light. That was super difficult, but it's doable, but it's difficult. Just mount it first and do whatever the security measures that you want to do with the Loctite and the other stuff, and then mount it. It still goes through and it is easy. This side, see, it goes in when you're trying to do it. So you can just remove this, just push it and then push it through. Okay, so now both are installed. I had the light face the side, so I can get the ditch on the left side or the right side. So I have both installed, and when I open it, it doesn't touch anything. So it doesn't touch. The wires don't touch. I brought it underneath here, and then underneath this bracket. And then I clipped it down here. And then now soon that's going to be wired. Other side. I had it down this, and this one is the entirely just underneath, and it's there. And again, this is a good buy. I always say, if you have some extra money, that's good. Also, the TRD, if you buy the fake one, it will get hot. Mine doesn't get hot, okay? It gets really like lukewarm, maybe, and you can still open it. Or the hood, and that's the look. Screw just clears the length, and basically don't use the Hilites lugs, because lug is a lot smaller what they offer. This fits exactly to Hilites bracket, so, and dimension is perfect, so you don't have to use another bolt, at least for my case. And I just like this low profile look. It's very small. And let me see how it looks when I'm in the car. It's first time seeing it. Okay, so that's how it looks. Finished wiring it, so I'll show you. So it has enough space for the wire, so it doesn't bend too bad, and it goes underneath. So I will show you what I did. So I ordered those OEM lights, but for now I relocated the AC power up here, and that is for the ditch light, and that's for the LED. I will post it on a different video. Right there, that's where all the wires are coming out, and I'll show you under the hood where I put the wires through. Later on I'll find it on a Home Depot, but I ordered the lights on Amazon, and so it will look like OEM when I'm done. And then I relocated one of the functions to here. It's so easy. All you have to do is just grab here and just pop it up, and that's it. So you can access everything under here. So I pop this out and then put it here. I pop one out and then put it down here. That's all. So I can have 4 lights for LED, ditch light, backlight, and a strobe. And I will post all the videos regarding that in the future. So that's all you have to do. Just pop it in, and let me see, I'll show you. So when you turn this on, it lights up, and that's the ditch light brightness. Okay, it's really bright. It's about 1,000 lumens, and I have it facing the side. So this is a spread pattern. You know, I thought about buying a Switch Pros, and plus about $600 altogether. And I thought I needed it, but you don't need it. I'm not gonna activate the lights all the time, so that's good enough. So all the ground is here for LED light bar and the KC Flex. And both of them are plugged in right there. So then I hid the wires underneath. For that side, I plugged it, I ran it behind, and I zip tied it. You see the shiny black wire? That is the ditch light wire. So it's underneath, and from here it's connected to that ditch light right there on the corner. And all the rest, I organized it with a zip tie down here. It gives you enough length for KC. And the grommet I used to access the wiring, it's right there. Okay, the grommet is removed at this point right there. Ran the wire through there. If you just put the wire and then point it down and just shove the wire through it, you can have it accessed behind the footrest. So I ran both wires for LED light bar and ditch light. Simple wiring, that's all you need. Show you from inside. This is what I see when I drive. And let's turn on the light. Later on it will be OEM lights, but turned it on. And it's faced in an angle. So this is the middle. When I go off-roading, I will readjust it so it can really like point it to the side so I can see what's going on. And one thing I forgot. So when you hook up the switch, make sure the bronze color is on the top. So you hook up black, red, then yellow, okay? But for Ridged Industry lights, it's black, blue, then red. Ridged Industry 30-inch Midnight Edition. Just lights up everything. And the ditch light. So ditch light is aiming there and there. And this is just my headlights. So without the headlight, it's this dark. Light bar, it's that, and then with the ditch light. So it is pretty bright. With the headlight, it's very bright in person. Okay, thank you for viewing, and see you on the next video.